National 50-meter breaststroke record holder Campbell says he is channeling his disappointment of missing out on a place on Jamaica's World Championships team into becoming even better next year. Campbell says he has his sights set on the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, among other competitions in 2022. Campbell thought he would have ended 2021 as a World Championship representative, but missed out on Jamaica's World Short Course team on a technicality. But the 18-year-old chose to take a positive outlook from that experience. And with the Commonwealth Games and World Long Course Championship among the events on the calendar next year, Campbell isn't waiting on 2022 to start working on his New Year's resolution.
Well, I've already upped my program, so I'm already ramping up I'm already starting to put in the work for those meets, so I'm not really worried about the workload coming into next season.
Campbell is a little over 0.2 of a second outside the B qualifying standard in his pet event, the 50-meter breaststroke, with his national record 28.55, 26 hundredths of a second from the 28.29 mark set by Fina.
Well, it's going to be difficult, but I made up about 2.5 seconds this year, so I think if I even make 1.5 next year, I'll be pretty close.
The multi-talented athlete who won gold in the pole vault for his school Calabar, the ISA Boys and Girls Championships earlier this year, says his focus is now purely in the pool.
I always loved swimming more than track and field. I did track and field for about 3-4 seasons, mainly because I like Calabar gears and I like to represent Calabar. But I mean, now I want to focus on swimming now.
Campbell also holds a 100-meter breaststroke record of 1:06 flat after lowering the 1:06.68 he set earlier in the year.